candlestick ifita za parti zose kumwe twaziga. Aha rero no haba hageze cya gihe cyo gukoresha za teori zose twiga, ni ukuvuga rimwe uba wibaza ngo twarabivuyemo ntabyo turiko turakorera ko ntabyo dukorera ko kubera mwabonye twagiye mu mafair value gap twagiye muga mumenye yuko byose bihera hehe, bihera kuri candlestick. Ni ukuvuga candlestick niyaba itagaragara, candlestick yawe niyaba iterekana neza direction cyangwa naho idafita bya byangombwa byose byashobora kugirana kugaragaza yuko that candlestick is a momentum candle, ni kuvuga ni bullish candle washobora kugirana washobora gukoresha uri kura trading. Ni kuvuga momentum, iyo bivuze momentum bababuze ni candle ifise direction. Ni kuvuga urazi ko if we don't have what we can call that the momentum, I can call it momentum. Ni kuvuga tudafite direction cyangwa naho dufite movement cyitwa kwita cyangwa expansion, ntabwo twigera tugirane, ntabwo tuzokwigera tugira icyo twakwita nibwo kugira turonka move. Ni kuvuga if katwebwe turi aba day trader, all of you guys are day traders, ni kuvuga mushaka kugira momentum kugira ngo cyangwa expansion kugira ngo mushobore making amafaranga uwo munsi. Ni kuvuga nimba uwo munsi uza kuri resultinga in consolidation, it means that obvious amafaranga uza making ko ntabwo wa making amafaranga kuko uzaba uri muri ntabwo uzaronka yanuzeye yamuvema washobora kuba wa makingamwo amafaranga. Bisabwa yuko n'imiburiburi haboneka movement kugira ngo umaking amafaranga. Kiretse ni waba uri swing trader. Ni waba uri swing trader, you can make money. Ni kuvuga naho nyene you need to use high time frame candle. Ni kuvuga hose biguma ari kwa kundi nyene nta kigira gihinduka. Kuvuga expansion, ni kuvuga without expansion, without momentum, without a move, without big move, you will not make money. You will not. Kuko, how will you make money without having this move up there? Hano, inside here, how many times could your trade hit break even, or ninchuro zingahe market yagaruka kuri break even cyangwa nayo yagaruka kuri stop loss yawe mu gihe tuba turiko dutradinga muri range? Ninchuro nyinshi. Big move. So ni kuvuga iki rero? Dushaka big move. These are three things that a day trader needs. What a day trader needs is these big things. Ni kuvuga, in order to get these things, you need to know what's going to happen. Kandi nabyo uzabimenya gute? Uzabimenya ufatiye kuri movement zizaba ziko ziraba or what you have. Ni kuvuga kakarorero, for example here, urabona hano biranagaragara neza, you can see it with your eyes. You can see it with your eyes. You can see it with your eyes here. I think you see it. Ni kuvuga this area here, the area yo hejuru ni area yande, ni area So ni ukuvuga iyi area, this area here ni area, near area. Urabona, we have another one here below here. This area, you can't make money while you are trading inside this area. You can't make money. I think you see it. Murabibona neza. There is no way you can make money while you are trading inside this zone. Ushaka kuronka an expansion, kuvuga a very big move, yashobora kuguha all those entries. Kuvuga yashobora kuguha a move, ikaguha amapip, ikaguha amapip kugira ngo ushobora kumakinga amafaranga. You need this. This is what you guys need in order to make money. Kuvuga, we need to have something like this. We need to have something like this in order to make profits into this market. So so how do we need, what do we need to do in order to get these things? Mbere, you need to know after this range they will follow an expansion. Kuvuga, ni za parti zitatu bita accumulation, hama manipulation, So kuvuga, after manipulation there is this distribution. So kuvuga, iyi nje twita power of 3. This is what we call power of 3, PO3. Canke power of 3. So this is what we call power of 3. So nukuvuga iki rero, ndagerageza kubasigurira this power of 3. Nukuvuga, a candle, this daily candle have that power of 3. Nukuvuga, this is the open of the candle. Nukuvuga, ibiraha hama igakora low. Nukuvuga, this low here. Nukuvuga, this low here. This is what we can call the manipulation. Nukuvuga, the move that occurs, move either below the open. Nukuvuga, open, you see the open. I think I can. I have an indicator, but power of 3 candle. This is the one. So nukuvuga iki hano. You can see here. You can see what. Let me remove this one here. To guhitamwo. We are not using it right now. Turiko turazikoresha. So nukuvuga, you can see all these things. These are things that you can, you need to train your eyes to see them. You need to train your eyes to see all these things, all this structure, and all this pattern. It's like pattern. So nukuvuga, these are things that you need to train your eyes how to read them. Kuko mutamenya kugira ni kubisoma, it will be very hard for you kugira ngo uzashobora gutradinga this market. Kuko those are things that carry the market. Those are things that you will see. Ego uzakoresha other things ariko ntawe uzabwigera ubihungira, kuko manipulation yoyo ushaka kumenya yuko ari ikintu kitazigera gihara muri market. They always manipulate the market, kuko if they manipulate the market, that's how they get their entry. That's how institution enter into those trades. Kuniko babikora. That's how they do it. Nukuvuga iki rero hano, as a day trader, you need this move. This move is for day trader. A day trader needs this move. You can't make money if you can't spot this move. This move to make money. So nukuvuga mu majambo make, our trader, those short-term traders, nukuvuga abantu mu tradinga for daily, nukuvuga mudashobora gufata, nukuvuga it's not even mean that ati abantu mudashobora kugira ngo bade. No, every trader kugira ngo ushobore making amafaranga, you need an expansion kugira ngo ushobore making amafaranga. You need an expansion to make money. You need this distribution to make money. This distribution, it's what will help you make money. Kuko, here it's where you get more pips, more money. Kuvuga ugira pips nyinshi niko ugira amafaranga. But you can even trade by kuvuga ukoresheje lot size niniya na movement ntoya ukabona amafaranga. But at that moment it will not be very easy for you. But you really need to get some, you need to get at some level where you can be trading by using a position that can go with your account. So this is it, guys. So now katugere kuri gahunda yacu. As a good trader, what you need to know is that ushaka kumenya yuko you really need to buy into this zone, the zone that is below the open. The zone that is below the open, nukuvuga zone below the open, niyo uzaguriramo. All in manipulation, nukuvuga manipulation area, niyo area uzaguriramo, uzakoreramo buy canke uzakoreramo sell. Any kuvuga any direction that you need to take, ushaka kuzayikorera muri manipulation canke no kuyikorera below the day. Kuvuga let's mark it here, below the day, below the open. Below the open, and during manipulation, manipulation. We are supposed to take our position. So, ni ukuvuga iki rero hano? Bivuze ko if you need to trade like you understand what's going to happen. Ushaka, ni ukuvuga the open, you see the open, where is the open? It's this one here. Let me show you. This is the open. Open of the day. Open of the day. Put it in the middle something. So this is the open of the day. I think you really see it also. Even here at this candle, you remember it's this one here. This is the open. 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 Below we have a low. We have low here, which is this one here, and at the top we have again what? We have this. This is cross. This is cross. Cross. And above we have a high here. Have the high here. So bivuze yuko if you need to take your trade when you are supposed to do it, it's inside this level. You see the open of the day, below it we find the PDLA that are below the open of the day. Abariyo ufatira entry yawe if you expect that day to be a bullish day. If you expect that day to be a bullish day, find your trade below the open of the day. Chang nimbari bearish day, expect to sell above the open of the day. Ndibaza twese turi kumwe, aho twese turajana. Is there anyone has a question, guys? Hari umuntu afite ikibazo ngaho? If you have a question, just ask your question. Ndakwishura. I will reply you guys. If you have a question, if you have any question, just ask.
I have a question.
Okay. Huh?
Ndabaramukije mwese, ntanguye ndabaramutsa.
Natwe turamukuramukije gose.
ikibazo cyane guca kibera iyo umuntu aje muri time frame ntoya n'ibisa bigorana gukora neza ahantu habereye open of the day mugambo umuntu muri time frame y'umunsi aho kendo aba yibona neza uko iforomye nyene sinzi ukuntu umuntu waca targeting yobona neza open muri time frame ntoya
ubwa mbere na mbere raba chat yawe ishaka kuba ifise ibi bikurikira, ishaka kuba ifise izi characteristics zikurikira. Ni kuvuga ugiye kuraba muri chat irakwereka neza ahabereye open, aho umunsi watanguriye ushaka kuba uhazi, kuko nta kuntu ushobora kuja gutradinga utazi ngo umunsi watanguye ngaha ino candlestick niyo yatanguriye umunsi. Ese ni gute uzomenya ko candlestick yugaye? Ni kuvuga aho candlestick imwe yugarira n'iyindi candlestick yugururiye. So ni kuvuga rero ushaka kugerageza uburyo bwose wakora kugira ngo ushobore kugira hane ushobore kuba watora aho umunsi wugururiye. Kuvuga ivyo navyo ndabibereka. I will show you that. Ni kuvuga iki rero hano, raba hano, urabona hano iyi candlestick yakubise iduka. This was the open of the day. Hano ni umunsi watanguriye no umunsi wo kuwa kangahe, wo kuwa mbere, umunsi watanguye kino candlestick. Ese uravye muri muze ntubona ahari akarongo kazamuka? Iyi ni daily separator abakoresha trading view. Ni kuvuga sino nubwo ngo bakoresha mwese mushaka kuba mufite trading view, kuko that is the only platform you can use in order to analyze the market without having any problem. Kuvuga washobora analyze zose ugakoresha izo parties zose zikenewe, hama ugashobora gutrading the markets atakibazo. So ni kuvuga iki rero, at that level ushaka kuba wamenya aho open yabereye. Hama ikibazo warubajije nico kuri lower time frame.
Ego kuko ndabona nka turi muri lower time frame nyene turi mu isaha imwe.
So no kuvuga muri lower time frame raba iyi ninde, iyi chat sini 1 hour. Ese 1 hour uri gukora muri daily, uri gukora mu kiringo kingana n'umunsi. Iyo chat iyo time frame nikwiye kweli genda muri 15 minutes. Tugenda muri 15 minutes. See what do we have in 15 minutes? Yeah, open your day. See hano, you see it? The open of the day I'm talking about is this one here. You know your open of the day. This open of the day, below it, if we are going to buy, if we expect the market to go up on this day, we expect to buy bearish. Kuvuga nimbari order block, tugure order block, cyangwa dukoreshe fair value gap, cyangwa dukoreshe any PDR that we have, tuza gukoresha muri kino kiringo. So nukuvuga rero hano, you see here, what is this here? What is this? This is another block. We block above this level here. After we block above this level, we came back. Where? Here, at this level, at this level here. Or this is another block. At this other block, find the 50% of this other block. The middle line is this one. Now, raba neza. Where is your entry? You see how accurate is this thing? Murabibona? Murabona how this thing is accurate? Your entry should be at this level here, at this level. Nukuvuga, this is other block of B. Other block. So as muri wa time frame, 15 minutes, 0 time frame, how market has gone all the way up there. You know how you do, all the way to this level. Maka 3770. Iki nicyo gituma ndabwira nti ushaka kugira expansion kugira ngo ushobore kumakinga amafaranga. You can make that money without having expansion. Kuvuga, without expansion, you can't make any money. Kuvuga here for the section of today can be power of 3. Nukuvuga iki rero hano? Kugera hano mwamaze kubona yuko if you are going to buy, you will need to buy below the daily open. We've got the open of the day. Open of the day, naho uwo munsi uba wugururiye hama ukaraba for the previous day, ukaraba PDR ziri hafi washobora gukoresha mu gukora buy. So guys, from here, do you have any question? Mbere ko twongerako another cool thing that you can if you miss that trade, there will always be the second chance. There will always be another second opportunity. Look here, we have all this level from here to this level. Let's use our method about Fibonacci. Where is the 50%? It's here. Is 50%. Do we have any PDLA or below it? What we have this fair value gap, this one here. And again, see where your entry should be at this level here. At this level. As you see here, it has bumped up. Kanino iragiye gukomeza. Igiye gukomeza igirani izamuka. Igiye gukomeza izamuka kandi. So I hope you guys mwamaze gutahura or mwamaze kubona what we need in order to make those big move or those big money. Ushaka kubara umuntu yinjiriye hano, the guy who has bought here, umuntu yakoze buy hano cyangwa yakoze sell hano, akaba atasohokeye kuri no fair value gap ya hano, he has lost his money. No kuvuga market urabona yaje irongera girane iramanuka igera kuri entry yiwe arinjira kuvuga nimba yarinjiye sell akinjira sell no hejuru ubu yamaze kugaruka kuri za sell ziwe niyo batasohotse kuvuga iki nico cerekana kwi atari area nziza yo gukoreramwo ama position. Nimba utinjiriye muri PDLA, just leave that market, just leave it, let it do whatever it wants, wait for a very nice opportunity, hama uzubone kwinjira, so nukuvuga at this point I think you have seen what we need a momentum, an expansion, a big move, whatever you can call it. These three things are what a trader needs to make money. So this is what we need in order to make money. Without this, I don't know if you will survive. Kuko, what will happen is that you will be entering into the level, and after entering into the level, the market come down to your entry, and again, you will not make consistent profit unless you are targeting all those movements. You know where it's going to reverse from. Kuvuga urazi aho market ishobora kuza gukorera reverse ikongera ikagaruka. Kuvuga iki, it's the same here. It's the same as this previous day. Umuntu yakoreye sell hano. He has seen some profits. After seeing that profits, markets came back to its entry. Mbere yakoreye entry yiwe hano. Munyuma yongera iragirane irasubira hasi. Urabona yongera iramanuka. What we need to see those liquidities and imbalances or inefficiencies. Nukuvuga na liquidity inefficiency, liquidity inefficiency, ikuramo liquidity yuzuza inefficiency favor gap. Nukuvuga all those things. Hano you are waiting for taking out this high here, this one. This one here, kuvuga all these are our targets. Kuvuga inefficiency field, this level liquidity, and this is the game. This is the game, and this is what you can expect about this move or this market. And this can be the best part of what you can learn about the power of three. Kuvuga accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Kuvuga hano. You have seen this was accumulation and this is a distribution. Kuvuga the manipulation here ndibaza yoshobora kuba all this move. Kuvuga hano muri no move hano indani, you can see the manipulation can be around or this area around here. Kuvuga hano washobora kwitega ugusumaze kubona this phase izino phase zibiri, accumulation distribution kuvuga ni consolidation expansion na consolidation. Kuvuga consolidation expansion consolidation igenda ihererekana kuvuga hama bachakurikira na manipulation. This is the manipulation, you see the manipulation here. Hama after this kuvuga this move below or this area, iyi area ya accumulation kuvuga yabari manipulation, iyo abari manipulation ibiriko iraba. So guys, I think I can close by here this live. this meeting. Kuvuga, the record is caught by here. Hama, so tugerageze kuja dukurikiza all this concept. This is the best thing that you can feel happy of yourself when you try to experience how it works. Numara gutangura ukamenya how it works, you learn more about it. So thank you for following. So thank you so much. Okay, so iyo yari record ndangije. So now ntabwo turarangiza, tugiye gukomeza n'iminota nka 10 kugira ngo dukomeze, nimba ufite ikibazo abaze. So because I made this video kuko fita gahunda yo kuza kwishira kuri YouTube kugira ngo n'abandi bayibone, kuko this is the best thing that every trader should know. This is the best thing every trader should know. Niyo mpamvu I think you see how clear it is. Ndabiberetse with a live example ku bantu ndazi nijoro ntimwari live. Biba bimbara cyane iyo batuba duhura live, yo bafite section mwese tukaza tugahura, hama mukagirane tukiga twese turi kumwe, iyo bari nka free live section kugira ngo ushe kumenya some points hamwe n'izindi byaba byiza. Nukuvuga nijoro narakoze live, yari nka live stream kuko nayikoreye kuri ni streaminze kuri YouTube. Nimugenda kuraba kuri YouTube muraza kuyibona. Nta voice zirimo, ariko nimwaja kuri TikTok niho nacenshira video iriko voice, muraza kubona where it has happened. Nukuvuga twari turi hano, I have traded all this move from here, kuvuga kuva ngaha kugera ino hejuru. Nukuvuga nakoze buy hano kugera ino hejuru, nza gusokera around 120, 22, 20, 23, 24 niho nagiye gusohoka. All this move raba hano 3 am, urabe 3 am y'amasaha. Nukuvuga rero hano you will see the evidence of those things that we have learned. Nukuvuga iki, ubu rero hageze igihe cyande cha ya London section. London section itangura 2 am, it's here 2 am. Urabe iyi move yose yabaye muri New York section. Urabona ko market yari up plus 20, 1 plus 20. Ikindi naco no kongera ko hano, ni mu gihe wamaze kubona ko market yamaze kuzamuka more than percentage zigera nko kuri plus, ndababwira ndazi ko muzovyibuka, but it should be better nimba mwana mufise ahantu muri ko murandika, kuko hari gihe muzokongera kwibuka ko nayo babwiye, muzokongera kwibuka ko nayo babariye. So nukuvuga igihe wamaze kubona market imaze kuzamuka all this move ikayikora muri agent section honyene, nimba atari crash yabaye cyangwa n'ibindi bintu byabaye muri market, aho market uzosanga ari plus 2. Iyo plus 2 maze kubona rimwe ryonyene kuva natangura gutradinga, maze kubona plus 2 rimwe ryonyene plus 2%, aho market yokora indi move igera hejuru. Nukuvuga ivyo navyo bikunda kuboneka nk'igihe cya news, NFP canke CPI, ntuzobona move nk'izo ziri plus 150, plus 170, plus 180. Ano ni misi ya news. Igihe ataba ari misi ya news rero, uzobona move atarenga kenshi 1 plus 40, 1 plus 20, 1 plus that. Izo move ntizizohari. Nimba yakoze iyo move yose ikayikora muri agent section, all this was agent section. Raw ese market mode gukora all this movement region section uribaza ko London section hari movement za kubona na New York section nta kintu za kubona. New York section ni ya kitangura hano urabona ya 9 kuvuga iyo yanatevye movie yaje gutangura ari uko igeze muri inde muri PDR. Si 15 minutes tura muri 15 minutes turabe koko iyo move mwanya yatangiriye kuvuga it was 9:45. So nukuvuga iki rero hano I feel like numva sa n'urushe mu muhogo kuko nagerageje kuvuga n'ikwirenga turashobora kuba tugiye kuruhuka gatoya but reka ndabereke like murabe if this trade was not given nayitanze kuvuga nayitanze nayibabwiye how this trade is going to happen. I told them into the VIP into my advanced class no kuvuga abanyeshuri twamaze kurangiza gutradinga twamaze kurangiza kwiga. It's this one here murayibona hano nyeri bwahagere. No, share this instead. Let me share now. I think now you see this is the picture muri WhatsApp. Kuvuga I made this fair value gap before it happens. Murabibona neza before it happens. What has happened again? Look here. Do you see this move here? Indani muri ya fair value gap. You can see what I told them. Your fair value gap niyo umuntu yoraba neza. You see that this guy thought that's byakozwe means that it has happened. As you can see, I was not even watching. I was not even watching when the market taps here kuko snagizeni. So nukuvuga ndibaza mwamaze kugirane mwamaze kubona this is the proof about this trade here. I saw it before it comes here. This is the algorithm. Ni algorithm muriko muriga. It's not other things. This is the real algorithm that you will need every time that you will be trading. Nukuvuga kuba mwararonse this training kuvuga mwebwe mwarahiriwe cyane. Ibisano hose bagenda babyigisha canke su momenta wese azoza yigisha ibintu nk'ibi. Okay, so nukuvuga rero ndibaza tworangiza this section nimba atamuntu afite ikibazo. Niba ari umuntu afite ikibazo arababaze hama duse n'abakrotira umunsi uno munsi. Umuntu afite ikibazo arababaze. Umuntu afite ikibazo arabe abaze. So nukuvuga this is the class of today. Ndaje ku updatinga. So ndibaza hari umuntu afite ikibazo guys. So I think no question. Nimba atakibazo turashobora kurangiza hama mugire umunsi mwiza kandi mubandanye mukora n'imyimenyerezo uko dusanzwe tubikora mukora ama exercice abe menshi guys kuko you will not master these things without doing the examples or doing backtesting. So guys, nuko mugire ijoro ryiza mwese naho utaha naho section ikurikira tuzobandanya tugaruka tubandanye tuze kuri parti ya kabiri y'ama section tuzorabira hamwe New York section. Ubuheruka twarabye London section, tuzogaruka kuri New York section nayo tuyinonosore neza kugira ngo tuze tuzikoresha zose uko ari section zigaragara zose muri markets. Okay, if no question, I think we can close. If there is no question, I think we can close this section. Oscar, ufite ikibazo baza ningoga kugira ngo
nagira nsabe muraba ukuntu muca umuntu yakwikiza kuraba ukuntu amasaha agenda yapfanya ko tuvuze turiko dukora ngaha
sinzi ko ntuze ari hari mutipera yifise ni anesthesiste ntuzeye izina rindi ryiwe ninde izina rye sindaribona reka niyo batari ndabona atari ku murongo atari no muri live ndaza kumubwira tuza kubikorera muri groupe nta kibazo mwese muraza kuba muyifise aradukubibereka ukuntu mugira ntihama ibisigaye nabyo nibagiye no kubereka ukuntu mushira amasaha muri ntuzeye ndaza kuba okay ndasharinga ndafite video kuri YouTube iriko ukuntu ushiramwo amasaha muri ntuze muri trading view amasaha ya New York nayo ndaza guca ndayisharinga kana ndayirabunye hama ndakabarungikire muri group hama ibisigaye nabyo turaza kugira turaza gukomeza cyangwa tuzokomeze ejo na ntuzeye so ndibaza turaganira muri group iyo ntuzeye iyo link ndaza guca ndayitanga mu kanya okay. So good night guys, good night Oscar, okay.